So, hello guys, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In this video I will explain in full how to clear Facebook search history on Android. So, please don't skip and watch until the end. The first step, open the Facebook application on your cell phone. Then, click on the search icon. Click on the See All icon. In this section you can click on the Delete All section. Please note, this action will delete all your search and visit history on all devices. And you can't restore deleted data. Okay, after that click Clean. Let's take a look at the Search on Facebook app on my phone. You can see now all searches have been lost. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.